The majority of those emails will get rejected. They won't even get to them because you haven't checked your SPF record. So this is just me a very, very quick one, just coming out of the networking session this morning, and lots of the talking is about marketing because this is a marketing event. Lots of the discussions around the table are about how many contacts you're sending your emails to, how many people are opening your emails, how many people are clicking the links, but not once has anybody said anything about how to make sure your emails are getting through to those people. Yes, you can send all your marketing emails, you can give all those clever headlines, you can put all the right content in there, do your split A/B testing to find out which headlines are working, which images are working, but not one person here has said anything about making sure that the emails you're sending are actually ending up in the recipient's inbox, which is just ridiculous really, because if you're sending thousands and thousands of emails, you want to make sure that the people at the other end are going to receive those emails. So it's just a bit crazy really why you wouldn't check, and it's frustrated me. Not one person here has said anything about checking your setup properly. And I'll try not to get too tied up in the detail here, but basically when you send an email to somebody, their email server will check where the emails come from. And if you're not on the list, so to speak, then your email won't be allowed through. And that list that's checked is something that's called your SPF record, that's held where wherever your domain name is sat. So if you buy your domain name from 123reg, or you have someone that looks after your website or your domain name for you, they will likely know where this is. But you need to make sure that your SPF record lists all of the places where you'll be sending your emails from. So if you've got a CRM system, that needs to be in there. Your email provider itself, Office 365 or Gmail, that needs to be in there. And anywhere else that you're sending emails from your company needs to be in that list. And if it's missing from the list, then those emails will not get through. And the majority of those emails will get rejected. They won't even get to them because you haven't checked your SPF record. It is such an important part of sending emails and such an important part of your marketing that if you haven't got an SPF record, or particularly if you've got one but it's wrong and doesn't include all the right locations, that's really going to screw your marketing up. It's going to screw your email deliverability up, and you need to make sure it's checked. And so the way to fix this is you need to write a list of all of the places that you send emails from. So all of the systems you use. If you use Office 365, put that at the top of the list. If you use a CRM system, put that on the list. If you're using a service like BombBomb to send video emails, then that needs to go on the list. So anywhere that sends emails from your company domain, put it on that list. And then take that list and send it to your IT guys, send it to your website hosts, send it to someone who knows what an SPF record is and knows how to change it, and they'll fix it up for you. So that will get your email deliverability up. And yeah, I'll leave you there for now. I hope that helped. Cheers, bye-bye.